Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this bomb flexi rod set using my clip-ins from Melanj Hair. This video is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Melanj Hair. I keep saying Melanj. I don't know if it's Melanj or Melanj Hair, whatever. But this video is not sponsored. I bought these clip-ins with my own money. I did a lot of research trying to decide what kind of clip-ins I wanted to buy because there's a lot out there. So I stumbled upon these clip-ins and I decided to give them a try. They are a little pricey, but I think you really get the bang for your buck with these. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this style with these curly clip-ins, please keep watching. To start off, I just sprayed the clip-ins with a little bit of water to make it damp so that I can detangle it easier. I went in with my dimming brush to detangle the hair, and then I took my blow dryer on low heat and blow dried it out so that I could stretch the hair a little bit. This is what the hair looks like blow dried. I am just going to go in now and just part off the hair that I'm going to be leaving out. I left out a little bit at the top and then some on the sides, but I honestly didn't need to leave out any on the sides. I noticed that after the style because this style was so big that, I mean, you really couldn't even see the sides of my hair, so you don't have to leave anything out on the sides, but I just did for this style. But you just need some out on the top to blend and to cover the tracks. So for the rest of my hair, I'm just going to twist it in like medium-sized twists, and then I'm going to pin those twists down with bobby pins. Like I said in the first video I made with these clip-ins, you can braid your hair down or whatever you want to do with the hair that you're not leaving out. I just find that it's easiest for me and fastest for me to just twist them down with medium-sized twists and then pin them with bobby pins. So here I'm just clipping in the hair on top of the twist. I'm sorry I'm a little out of frame here. I didn't realize how close I was to the camera because my back was turned, but I did the same thing that I did in the first video that I made with this hair. So if you want a closer look at how I clip in the hair, you can go look at that video, but it's pretty straightforward. Just clip the hair in and work your way up to the top. For the section around my leave out, I used one of the clip-ins that had 4 clips on it, and I just placed it around the section of the hair that I had parted for my leave out. Y'all, this hair is so big. I honestly didn't think it was going to be this big when I thought about blowing it out, but y'all know I'm all about some volume, so I'm here for this. So now I'm just going to go in with some foaming mousse. I just use whatever foaming mousse I found in my house. I don't really think that there's any foaming mousse that are superior than the others. They all pretty much work the same to me. So I just used what I had. I'll leave it in the description box, but I just used about 3 pumps of the foaming mousse per section. You don't want to use too much to where the hair starts reverting because you want to keep that stretched look. So I just used about 3 pumps and I put the flexi rod on. For the flexi rod, I use the horseshoe method, so that just means you just bend the flexi rod in half, and then you split your hair section into two, and then you wrap each section around each half of the flexi rod. For the section that I had leave out on, I did the same thing. I applied 3 pumps of the foaming mousse, and then before I wrapped it around the flexi rod, when I split the section into two, I made sure that there was leave out on both parts of the section, as you'll see in the video. Just because it helps with blending. You don't want to part it into two and then have like one part with just the leave out and one part with the hair, because it won't blend as well. So the more you mix it, the better it'll blend. I wanted to do a bang look for this style instead of doing the usual middle part that I usually do, so I went ahead and I sectioned off the front of my hair that I was going to put on the flexi rods towards the front so that I can get the bang look that I was going for. So here's the biggest section with the most leave out that I have, and you just want to do the same things that you did on the sides of your hair with the side leave out. So just section your hair and then make sure that you have some leave out on both sections that you're going to wrap around each half of the flexi rod, and then just wrap it around normally. And now for the bangs, all I did was just apply the mousse, and then I put the flexi rods on going towards the front of my head so that the bangs would fall where I wanted them to fall. And then after that, I sat under the dryer for about 2 to 3 hours, and then I took them down the same day. I didn't go to sleep with them or anything like that. I just sat under the dryer, and because my hair wasn't wet, I just used the foaming mousse. It didn't take too long to dry. To take the flexi rods down, I don't really do anything special. I just take the end of my hair on the flexi rod and just unravel it off of the flexi rod. To separate the hair, I just separated it where it naturally wants to separate. You don't want to try to force it, because then you're going to make your hair super frizzy and you're going to lose the curl pattern that we just worked so hard to get. So just take your time and separate the curls where they naturally want to separate. As if I didn't have enough volume and length already, I wanted to add a little bit more, so I took my blow dryer on low,
setting, and I just kind of pulled the hair and stretched it a little bit with my blow dryer just to give it the look that I was going for. I had to go in with the bobby pin just to pin my bangs back because they're a little bit too long, so I just pinned them back with the bobby pin just to make them fall exactly where I wanted it to, and then I did a little bit more fluffing of my curls, and this is pretty much the finished look. This hair blended in perfectly with my hair, like you cannot even tell like where my hair starts and where it stops.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result of this flexi rod set with these clip-ins. My hair is super voluminous, which, you know, I'm all for the volume, and my hair blended in seamlessly with these clip-ins, so I'm pleased. If you're looking for like a super extra look, then this is definitely gonna give it to you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.